My name is Sulaiman, and today I'm going to be going over the Coinbase app, and I'm going to be showing you how you can buy cryptocurrency on the app. And I'm going to be going over all the features, like how you can deposit money from your bank account, how you can choose from a wide array of cryptocurrencies, and then how you can possibly be making money by buying cryptocurrencies. Okay, the first step of course would be to download the Coinbase app. You can go to the App Store and download it. And it's pretty easy. You can take care of this yourself. I'm not going to be going into detail on how to download and enter your personal information. So let's just open up the app. All right, so once you have the Coinbase app downloaded, this is the home page here. You can see on top the portfolio balance you would have if you have any holdings in crypto, and you can see the watch list of all the cryptocurrencies that you are interested in buying or you're watching. So if you have not already connected your bank account information to the Coinbase app, that would be the first thing you can do. So there's actually two ways you can buy cryptocurrencies, and I'm going to show you both ways. The first is to do the transfer money from your bank to the Coinbase app, and you can go here, click the blue button on the bottom, and this opens up, and then you can hit add cash. Now I prefer the bank account on top, as it says recommended wire transfers. It says for more than 25,000. I don't usually use those. So hit the bank account and now enter the amount of money you're interested in depositing. So let's just say, assume we deposited $2,000, and you can preview it here. And now it can show you how much money you're going to be depositing. The good thing is that it's a $0 fee, because Coinbase is actually really expensive when you're buying and selling cryptos. When you buy and sell, each time 1.5% approximately is how much they charge, and that's actually a lot of money. And you can see here, today is June 12th on Saturday, and the funds will arrive almost instantaneously, so you should be good on that. And you can be buying and selling cryptos right away. I'm not going to use this right now, so let's go ahead and go through the other strategy that you can buy and sell cryptos. So we are back on the home page again, and on the bottom you can see the 5 different buttons that you can click: home, portfolio, that blue button which means making transactions, prices, and settings. So we're going to go ahead and click the prices button, because this shows you a list of all the cryptocurrencies that are available out there. Now a lot of these are available on Coinbase, but a lot of them are not. So you can see it says tradable next to the ones that you can actually purchase. So once you're interested in buying a cryptocurrency, you will click on that. Let's just click on Bitcoin for now as an example, and you can see here it shows up a chart. So this is the second way to actually buy and sell cryptos. So once you have selected the cryptocurrency, you hit this blue button again, trade, and this opens up. So now you have 4 different options: buy and sell the Bitcoin, convert the Bitcoin into another crypto, which is another feature that you can use. Once you have already owned the cryptocurrency, you can actually convert that into another crypto, which is really good because this actually avoids the Coinbase fees. Like I said before, 1.5% to purchase and 1.5% to sell approximately. And if you think about it, that's actually a lot of money if you're making even a couple of trades a week. And you can see here you can cash out the balance, but we're going to go ahead and click buy Bitcoin. And now you can see here how much money you're interested in spending on Bitcoin. So once again, we'll hit $2,000. You can preview the buy, so you don't actually purchase the Bitcoin. And now this tells you how much you are going to be purchasing of Bitcoin. Only 0.05. That's how much Bitcoin is up right now. So you can see the price of the Bitcoin, 36,000. The purchase is $19.70. That means you're going to spend $19.70 on the Bitcoin, but $30 is going to be spent on Coinbase fees. Like I said, I think that's 1.5%. Approximately of the $2,000. So that is actually a lot of money. If you do a couple of trades a month even, that's a lot of money. And then once you're good to go, you hit that buy now button, and you will be owning the Bitcoin almost instantaneously. All right, so I do want to go over another way where you can actually convert cryptocurrency from one to another. Now this is very useful because you actually avoid the Coinbase fees, like I've been saying multiple times, which is insane. They're basically ripping you off. So you go to the cryptocurrency that you already own, or you can actually click on the one that you're interested in, and you hit here trade once again. The third option, convert Bitcoin into another crypto. Okay, now you actually have the option to convert Bitcoin, and you can click on the Bitcoin Cash, and it opens up all the options of the ones that you can convert into. So we're going to go back and let's just say we're interested in Bitcoin Cash and we want to convert $1 of our Bitcoin into Bitcoin Cash. Now you hit that preview convert button and look at that, $0 in Coinbase fee. So this is actually one way to avoid the Coinbase fees. If you think that the current crypto that you're holding is already at the top and you're trying to buy something that's at a cheaper discount, this is one way you can avoid the Coinbase fee of 1.5% and save yourself some money. The last thing that I want to talk about is transferring crypto from wallet to wallet. Now, I don't use this because I'm just holding the crypto in my Coinbase app right now, but if you want, you can actually transfer from a wallet to wallet. Some people hold it in like USB drives, but you have this option here. Once you click that blue button on the home page, you can send and receive crypto from wallet to wallet. Now, let's just say you were to click this, you do need the wallet key. If I were to just type in $5 here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be posting videos like this all the time. If you have any other questions, comment down below and I'll be answering everything.